it's Mandy here. Today I'm here to share a card using the new Seahorse Cuddlebug stamp. I started off by fussy cutting the stamp out and colouring with my Distress Oxides and my Distress inks. I started off with the Distress Oxides in Abandoned Coral, and then I layered it with the same colour in the inks, as the inks are a stronger colour. Here I'm using peacock feathers on the plants. Then I'm taking my old envelope that came with my Unity stamps and cut it up, and I'm using Distress Oxides to press into the bubbles. Then I spray it slightly with water and press it onto my paper, and it creates this cool background. Then I just created a base by smearing some of the inks across the bottom. Then I added the seahorse and the sentiment and the plants. Then I put it onto a white card base. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!